traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, October 22nd. This is my PM recap for the US dollar. We're starting on the 1 hour time frame. So we had a pretty solid little bounce at the 78% today. I always have these Fibonacci levels on here because they are very often areas of resistance or support in this case. It did go up and it did give us a break of structure, especially because of how this move down to me is very impulsive, like a five-wave structure. I'm really not convinced that this move up is a trend reversal. I think it possibly might end up making, a three-wave structure or something like that. But I think that overall it is going to end up continuing the downtrend. So let's take it down to the 30 minute for just a minute, because on the 30-minute time frame, or 1 hour if you want to, you can play your Fibonacci retracement from here to here. Break a structure, pull back, possibly another push up. Some sort of an ABC structure up to one of these higher Fibonacci levels is probably pretty possible before we get another thrust to the downside. So anyways, don't forget to check out my website, linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.